Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, we'll try to do the UFS storage 3.1 speed test comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus iQOO 7 device. So this is a question which has been asked by a couple of subscribers asking me to use the high performance mode during this process of demonstration. As you can see, high performance mode is turned on right now, and right now I did include the another application which is the Antutu benchmark application as well. So in this way, we'll be able to get to know how is the Antutu benchmark application telling us what kind of scores we got. So first, let's start with the first application, which is the Antutu bench application. So let's click at same time. Let's see using the high performance mode how much difference you can actually expect between this Oneplus Nord 2 versus the iQOO 7 device. So let's start the test without wasting any time. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So both phones UFS storage 3.1, and let's see friends which phone has got what type of results. So same kind of comparisons I'm trying to do with even with other phones as well. So in case if you are interested, you can check the playlist for more details. So let's check the results, what will happen. Right now we got the results, and the first score got highest in the iQOO 7 device 1775, and second got highest in the Oneplus Nord 2 986, and 271 and 291 in the iQOO 7 got highest. The read speeds are slightly high in the iQOO 7 device, that's the one thing, and write speeds also slightly high. As you can see, random write is also high, not bad. And yes, and the last three are highest in the Oneplus Nord 2, and I think the first one, third and fourth are highest in the iQOO 7 device. So if you want, you can pause the video and you can see the score, as you can see. Now let's move to the next application without wasting any time. So I'm trying to be a little bit kind of faster friends, because I just want to keep this video very short as much as possible. So because a lot of users, they want the videos very short within that 5 minutes of time. That is the reason I'm trying to do my best to keep that video very short. And right now in the first score, the Oneplus Nord 2 is winner, and second time the iQOO 7 is the winner, 1 GB. And random write 42, Oneplus Nord 2 is the winner, and 21 is only in the iQOO 7 device. 23 we got here in the iQOO 7, and in the OnePlus Nord 2 we got 27, not bad. 23 in the iQOO 7 and 27 in the OnePlus Nord, and 10 and 10. As you can see, comparison between both phones. Out of 5, I think 1, 2, 3. So 3 are highest in the OnePlus Nord 2, and remaining 2 are highest in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see friends, this is a quick comparison between both phones. Now let's move to the next application, which is the disk space speed test. Let's see this one. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So in this way, we'll be able to use different 4 applications in one video, so you can get a clear idea what is happening. Instead of relying only on one application, it's better to try different applications, and because different users will have different own favorite applications. That's the reason I thought of trying these 4 applications. So we got the results back again, and let's see the results. And the read speed is 1.3 GB and 786 MB in the iQOO 7 device, and 464 MB in the write speed, and 438 MB in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, these are the comparison between both phones in this application. Let's try the last application, which is the Antutu benchmark application. So in this way, we'll be able to complete this entire test. Let's start the storage test. Let's see how much we can actually get in this kind of Antutu benchmark application. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below friends, what are the other videos you want me to do. I mean with what phones you want me to compare. That is what I'm going to exactly see in the comments. And we got 61,539 and 61,000 in the iQOO 7 device. Let's see what happened. And in the sequential read, 1769, 1768, 998 and 1779 write speed, and 280, 300, 213 and 262. As you can see, the comparison side by side. So this is a quick comparison friends between both phones in terms of the UFS storage 3.1, and the winners you need to declare which phone is the winner. And these are the final results which I showed you clearly in each and every application, demonstrating which phone is the clear winner. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and meanwhile don't forget to stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and also do support me by using the links in the description to buy any kind of phones, any kind of products from Amazon. That will be really helping me. And also don't forget to check the playlist for more details about each and every smartphone. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.